Hello, I have another question for you, which is 5 divided by 10 divided by 1 by 20. You can guess the answer in your mind and check your solution. 5 divided by 10 will be equal to, we can write this as so 5 divided by 10 divided by 1 by 20. 5 divided by 10, it is equal to 1 by 2 because 5 is cancelled with 10, so 1 by 2 will be answer divided by 1 by 20. Here we will apply TCF R CCF. It is a rule in which first is kept as it is, so 1 by 2 is kept itself. Division is changed into multiplication and 1 by 20 is flipped, so it will become 20. Now here is a sum cancellation, 2 and 20 are cancelled, so 1 times 10 and 1 times 10 is equal to 10, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching my channel.